So there's a quick shuttle from Palermo International Airport to downtown Palermo, which I'm on the bus right now, and then it's going to drop me off at the, well, in German it'd be called Hauptbahnhof, which is basically meaning the main train station in downtown Palermo, and then I'm staying in Palermo in a hostel in Palermo Old City Center, or equivalent to that. I'm just going to walk it from there. It's only about a 15-minute walk, and believe me, after all the walking I've done recently, that'll be nothing. This is actually a really nice bus. This bus here is actually better and in nicer condition than the airplane I flew in. But hey, I mean, I flew in on Ryanair, and I'm just happy to have been, just arrived alive on Leprechaun Airlines there. But wow, everything here looks cool so far. I'm really excited to be here. The weather isn't all that great. It's supposed to rain today, but you know what? That's cool. That's fine. I'm here in Palermo. I'm here in Sicily. Imagine climbing this mountain. There are a lot of historical landmarks in downtown Palermo that I'll be checking out as well. Oh, here's a plane. Yeah. There's a lot of agriculture here in Sicily as well. The people here are apparently even more laid back. Hopefully it's not as filthy as Rome. The food here is different. They have their own language. They have their own culture out here. This used to be Sicily used to be its own country. Oh wow! Take a look at that. See that? Yeah. Cool, eh? All right. Started off with an Italian adventure. Now it's going to be a Sicilian adventure.